Okay, well just go sit down. I'll get you a new one. Presley, out of the icing. Come eat. Alrighty. So anyway, about your Halloween candy there.
Mom.
Mommy and Daddy might have ate it all last night. But I got you cinnamon rolls this morning. Presley, Mommy and Daddy ate all your Halloween candy last night. But I got you cinnamon rolls with orange icing. Here's your Halloween candy bag. Mommy might have ate all your candy. I can eat all yours?
My candy.
What if I said I'm sorry? Is that better now? It was just so good, I couldn't help it. Ella, I'm only teasing you. Do you think I would eat all your candy? I'm kidding. I didn't eat all y'all's candy. I wouldn't do that.
No, you keep my candy. You keep my candy.
I was just playing a joke.
My candy back in my bag.
Was it a funny joke?